Hi, I'm Pete, and this is a LEGO show and tell. So I got two 6-packs of CMF 25 right from LEGO, and I'm just going to show you what I got. One of the things that I've been curious about is, do you always get the full set if you order 2 boxes? And here, I'm going to break the seal on both of these, and then I'll put the knife away before somebody gets hurt. So last year I ordered 2 boxes of CMF 24 and I got the complete set. So I'm kind of curious to know if that's a fluke or if they always just give you the 2 different boxes. The only thing LEGO promises is that the boxes will be, that the 6 figures you get in each box will be unique, and which means that they must have like an A box and a B box in order to have the whole series. So these should all be the same each and every time. If you order 1 box, theoretically you should get the same figures that I got in one of my boxes. Alright, so there's my 6 boxes, and then you can see this is exactly the same as you'd get if you went into the store. So that's the 1 box. Oh, I can't do that anymore. I gotta remember. Okay, and then this is the other box, and it's gonna be the same thing. Whoa. Okay. Okay, we're gonna keep them separate. There we go. Alright. Alright. So the possibilities here then are that they always give you the A box and the B box, and then this will be the complete series. But it is possible that I get 2 of the A box, and in which case I'll have 2 duplicates, or 2 of the B boxes. In some cases it might not matter depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to get the whole set, it would probably be annoying to get duplicates. But if you like a particular figure or a bunch of figures from, say, the A set, and you got 2 of the A's, that might be okay for you. So what I'm going to do real quick here, I'm going to, through the magic of the special effects, I'm going to go away, going to come back and show you what was in each box, and then we can sort of talk about what that means. Alright, we're back, and this is definitive. It is possible to get 2 of the same box, which is what happened here. Absolutely fine with it though, because I got some pretty good minifigures, and I got some pretty good duplicates of those minifigures. I mean, 2 goats, that's fantastic. Kind of makes up for the fact that I don't have a set of scales to bring into the LEGO store. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I got 2 the Vampire Knights, and those 2, the goat and the knights, would go right into my mock that I'm working on, and then the rest of these are just great for populating different scenes. So all in all, I think Series 25 is really strong, and I'm very happy with them. What I missed out on, so the other box then would have things like the Mushroom Girl, the Viking Warrior, the Dog Groomer, the Harpies. So yeah, so missing out on those, but it's fine. It's all in good fun, and I enjoy collecting these minifigs this way. Wasn't too keen to buy a set of scales to take into the LEGO store, so I don't know, maybe I'll just have to go try my luck again on loose boxes. Alright, well that's it for this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, I normally make content on mechanical puzzles, like Rubik's Cubes, Mega Minxes, Tut Minxes, things like that. And that's what most of my content is, but every once in a while I'll show off some LEGO or some other toys. Alright, well that's it. As always, I do appreciate your comments, your questions, or suggestions, so do leave me some feedback down in the comments. What do you think of Minifigure Series 25? Is it something you're interested in? And how are you collecting them? Are you just buying the individual boxes, or gonna try your luck buying the 6-packs from LEGO? Yeah, I am curious to know what people think. about this series. So leave me some feedback and any other feedback you want. All right, until next time, thanks for watching.